Hi, I'm Jagadipika, working as a SAP consultant at Target Integration. Today, I will brief you about order to pay process in SAP Business by Design. This is the SAP Business by Design user interface. To start our process, we have to create sales code. For that, we need to select on new business work center. Here, we need to select new sales code. So, from here, we have to choose the customer name. So I will choose Silver Star Wholesale Corp, and then we need to give product ID, all that. So I will choose add row. Here we can select the product ID. So uh, here I will choose brown coal briquette, and then I will give the quantity as 8, and that's it. Now we need to check the whether the stock is available or not. So I will click on check availability. So it has to show in green color when the stock is available. It's showing some error like late delivery, list delivery 28/9. So I will change the delivery date as 28/9. Now we can see the green color tick. So now the stock is available for that delivery date. Now I can save this, and then as you can see, sales go 314, save successfully. Now we can submit this. Yes, sales quotation have been created. Next step is to create sales order. For that, let me go to the sales order work center. Here we need to select new sales order. Then we need to click on create with reference. Here we can copy all the information from the sales code to the sales order. Click on create with reference and click on reference type. So I want to copy from sales quotation to the sales order. So I will select on quote and then reference ID. So this is the one which I have created now. So I will choose that and give OK. Now all the details will be copied from the sales quotation to the sales order, as you can see here. Here you can check the product detail and we can save this. Order has been saved. Now we can submit and release the order. The sales order has been created. Now we need to check the product availability and release the order. For that, we need to select outbound logistic control work center. On logistic control work center. Here we need to click on customer demand. So this is the one which we have created now. So I will check the product availability. For that, we need to select open product planning detail. As you can see here, in stock is 362. So the product is enough. Now we can save and close this. Now we need to release the order. For that, we need to click on release and then with stock check. Now the order has been released. Now we need to create outbound delivery. For that, we need to select outbound logistics work center. Here we need to select delivery proposal. Under this drop down, choose all proposal by selection and click on click here to execute the query. As you can see here, we have to release the delivery for this order. So I will click on this line and create outbound delivery with release. Yes, outbound delivery 656 created. Yes, as you can see here, it has been created. After delivery, we need to create invoice. For that, I will go to customer invoicing. Customer invoicing, and then in customer invoicing work center, we need to select invoice request. So for this, we have to create invoice and click on this line and click invoice. Here we need to check the product ID, and that's it. Now we can save this and release the invoice. Yes, invoice 77 saved successfully. Now we can release this. Yes. Now we have released the invoice. And the next step is we need to run the payment. For that, we need to go to Receivable Work Center and click on Customer Accounts. Here we need to select our customer. So this is the one, Silver Stay Wholesale Corp. So click on this line and click on View. And then here we need to select the invoice which we have created now. So this is the one, invoice 77, which we created now. So I will select on this line. Here we need to select on this 77. And then click on Pay Manually By and click on Incoming Check. Here we need to give the check number, and then we need to put the payment amount. So we can check here. My payment amount is 806.40 GBP. So I will give here 806.40. And we need to select the payer bank. Click here, and from here we can select the payer bank, and that's it. Now we can post this. And that's it. As you can see, a post executed successfully. So this is how you have to do the order to cash process. Thank you.